What's up, YouTube? It's for sale here, 90 here. Guys, break number 3, limited football, break number 3, individual box breaks. Wednesday night, January 25th. It's 7 minutes after 10. We had one unpaid spot here. Actually, two unpaid spots. One of them is S. Rob, one of our regulars. So, you know, that payment will come in, no problem. Rob, as always, thanks for joining. And actually, Scott, excuse me, thanks for joining. And then also the Kansas City Chiefs were also an unpaid spot. That bidder has joined several of our breaks before, so just send him a message. That Chiefs spot will be accounted for, and we expect payment to come in on that. So the Chiefs will go to the high bidder, break number 3. That spot is yours. Just get us your payment, and we're going to go ahead with the break here. So boxes 5 and 6 of the case. 3, 5, 2, 8, 38, 210 is box number 5. And of course, good luck to everybody who joined. And here we go. Jamal Charles base for the Chiefs. Steve Smith base for the Panthers. Dan Fouts legend for the Chargers, $4.99. PA Phenoms rookie, $4.99. Owen Marisick for the Browns, parallel numbered 13 of 50 for the Browns. For the Chargers, Vincent Brown jersey, numbered 34 of 49. For the Dolphins, Brian Hartline jersey auto, numbered 6 of 10. So 6 of 10 for Hartline and the Dolphins. Not a bad one at all. And the last card of the pack, Lance Kendricks, Phenoms monikers parallel, number to 199. So rookie auto monikers number to 199. Lance Kendricks for the Rams. And on to the second and final box, 3, 5, 2, 8, 4, 2, 4, 5, 6. Amdi Asmoah for the Eagles. Zach Miller for the Seahawks. Y.A. Tittle, legend for the Giants, $4.99. Quentin Carter, Phenoms rookie, 34 of 4.99. Jack Lambert, legend, parallel, numbered 2 of 25. Jack Lambert, 2 of 25. And draft day triple, Von Miller, Aldon Smith, and Blaine Gabbert. That'll be randomized between the Broncos, 49ers, and Jaguars. It's numbered 2 of 100. And wrong Panther, but Kealoha Pilares, Phenoms monikers gold auto, numbered 20 of 25 for the Panthers. And for our Chiefs spot, Justin Houston, rookie auto, 147 of 199. So there you have it. Break number 3 complete. 1 random, Von Miller, Aldon Smith, Blaine Gabbert, numbered 2 of 100. That will be randomized between the Broncos, 49ers, and Jaguars via separate video. Guys, thank you very much for joining. That'll conclude break number 3. We will be back here this weekend for break number 4 and continue through the rest of this case. And again, we have another case on the way. So, tons of limited coming up. we'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great rest of the week, and hopefully we'll see you all this weekend. Take care, guys. Thanks again.